Here's an Android phone, and let's say there is no phone signal at this location. So as you can see, that sign has no lines. So there is no signal in this location. How to make a phone call in this case? Well, if there is Wi-Fi, start that one. And the Wi-Fi sign just appeared, is this one. It's version 6, the newer one. Now come here to the settings wheel, settings, come here to connections, tap on connections and start this Wi-Fi calling, enable it. By the way, the sign just appeared here, is this one. It has a Wi-Fi sign, those rounded horizontal lines, plus a phone sign. So if I disable Wi-Fi calling, then that signal should disappear. Wi-Fi calling is disabled and only the Wi-Fi and the phone signal remained there. So enable Wi-Fi calling, the icon just appeared, and now if you make a call using the regular cellular network, then the phone call will go over the Wi-Fi network and not the phone network. And here in the recent window there is also a Wi-Fi sign. So this phone call, since there is no phone signal at this location, was made through Wi-Fi. That phone call also through Wi-Fi. These, since they don't have any Wi-Fi sign, just like that one, those were made in a different location and they were using the phone network. This was using the Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi calling can be searched also. If you come here to the settings icon, here is the search icon, the magnifying glass, and just type in there Wi-Fi, and here we have Wi-Fi calling. And if you tap on it, Wi-Fi calling is already enabled. So if there is no phone signal at a certain location, you can use Wi-Fi, and the normal phone calling and messages both will work through the Wi-Fi network.